Hello everyone! If you want to check the serial number and IMEI number of your Huawei Watch GT4, so in order to do that, first of all, we can check directly through the Huawei Health. Open up your Huawei Health application, make sure that you're connected to it. Now press Devices, choose your watch and scroll down to Device Info. And right here you'll find your name, your model name, your serial number and your MAC address. And the serial number that's what you need to check if it's real or not. Let's go to the watch, because you can also do that directly from your watch. So activate your watch by tapping on the crown. Now go to your settings. Scroll to the very bottom to your About section, and here once again you'll see your device name, model name, MAC address, your Harmony version and your serial number, and basically that's it. That's what you need. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.